Hey folks, this is Roger. I've got a little something different for you tonight. Put together a standalone steam plant consisting of a 3 by 6 inch Jensen boiler heated with a 660 watt HotWatt heater. I've mounted a pressure gauge on the front, which right now is reading about 5 psi, because I have this thing plugged into a variac and dialed down to about 75 watts. So it's just ticking along. So I put the pressure gauge on the front where the steam line used to be, and I've put a steam outlet line on the back, which is a copper tube soldered into a former Jensen safety valve. And that comes down, I don't know if you can see it, I'll get close enough here, but it's into a Jensen speed regulator valve, or steam regulator valve, and to an outlet of silicone tubing that you see right here. I've got it running a a Stuart S-50 at a nice low speed at the moment. It'll make it really fly, because this thing will go up to about 25 psi, because I uprated the safety valve a bit, but high speed is not always where it's at. I enjoy every now and then watching something just tick over. You can see in the back where that cord is, that is plugged into a variac that's reading about 75 volts right now. So overall, what I've got is a steam plant that's portable and can be used with any of my orphan engines. I reserved the turbines to run off my Jensen 51 boiler, but anything other than my turbines, such as this standalone Stuart S-50, work beautifully off this setup. I'll speed this up a little bit here, just so you see it's got a little more oomph. Okay. Remember, it's still only going just a tad under 5 psi, but there's plenty of steam to make an engine as big as this one go quite nicely. I do believe, I haven't tried it yet, but I do believe my Stuart Beam, which is sitting off to the side here, is also an orphan engine. I'm sure it can run off of this. So anyways, just wanted to give you an idea of what you can do when you take a nice boiler and firebox. This one came off a Jensen 95G, and I made a nice walnut routered base for it. So just a little something different that lends itself to orphan engines that need a power source. So there you go. Take care.